friends, hi, hello, welcome back in today. I know why we're here. Do you? It's because it's clay time. Playtime with clay time. There's so much clay here. So much clay. And it's just sitting here and I'm like, I've got to do something with it. So, you know,
What?
I wouldn't mind having a couple of little clay people around my house. So why don't we make some clay people today? Who doesn't like smiling friends right now? What a cute comedic relief it is. So I can't think of anything else that I would rather make right now. I've made tons of things already. I've already made this Hello Kitty that's supposed to hold a lighter. I've made this GUR that needs to go into the oven. And I have Patrick Star sitting here waiting to be baked as well. There's only so many characters I feel like I could do. I feel like most of them would be hard. I don't know. I feel like this is not going to be easy. Just by taking a look at these two here, I don't feel that this will be an easy task. But it's okay, because I have tons of clay and nothing better to do. So why not let's just get right into it. I got my handy dandy government tablet. I'll be using this as a reference so I have something to look at. I'm going to try to start with Alan here because I've already got some red out. I hope that he will be the easiest. I don't even know what I'm doing. How am I going to make his head? Okay, this should be easy. Hold up. Let me get some more red into the action here. Now, I don't want these things to be extremely big. You know, I'm not going for larger than life here. I just want little tiny shelf people to sit upon the shelf and collect dust. And I want to wipe them off every like 2 to 6 months. You know, it'd be like 2 months at first. Then over time it starts to get, you know how it goes. Oh, okay, look at this. Here we go. We've got a body. This is a body. Now how about we try to get a head going on here? How is that? Not too bad. Okay, we're off to an okay start. So we got his body down. Now this guy needs some arms and legs, right? You know what I should do next instead? I should do his tie. Hold on, give me some blue. Give me the blue, boy, and free my souls. I want to get lost in your blue hole and drift away. Yeah! Looks like it might rain out. Probably won't, though. The way the weather's been lately, can't predict shit. Cutting my tie. Just carefully carving our tie out. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm making magic happen down here. Okay. Oh, we're losing it. We're losing it. This stuff's not bad, it's okay, but man, does it drive me kind of insane. It is just so soft. Oh, but this is not bad. What up? Things are going really good. I did not think this was going to come out that great. What up? But I mean, we are talking too soon, aren't we? Look at this. Do you see this? Okay, so he's got his necktie. This is going not bad. So, yeah, I thought this one would be the easiest. Hopefully the other ones aren't too bad. I'm nervous. I don't want to mess them up, for real. Especially if this one comes out good and the rest of them look like weird. I'm so proud of us right now. Good job, everybody. If you're doing this too. This is not a tutorial. I know usually I'm showing you how to do stuff. Today we're just chilling. We're just chilling making crafts today. I don't know what I'm doing, so this is not a tutorial. I just wanted to make these. Aha! Well, look at that. I need some arms. I put some arms in this bad boy. Okay. I mean, you know, if you're a visual learner and you can learn by just looking at something, I mean, feel free to do this too, but I don't know really what I'm doing. I'm just kind of playing around here, you know. Okay, well, check this out. Not coming out too bad. Ignore all of this off to the side. But here he is. I'm going to make him sitting down. Why not? Who says I can't? I just need to give him a face. The only problem is I only have like this much white left, so I have to be like very careful with it. So I'm just going to use a little tiny amount for the white of his eye, because that's really all that he needs. Log o blue. Okay, now we're going to make his little shorty shorts. Oh, this stuff's staining my hands. It's not good. Oh no! Oh, I've tainted his head with blue clay. Oh, get out of there. Oh, that makes me so mad. I have to paint over it. Just trust the process. This is just one of those things where you just need to trust the process. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes things look weird. So this will be his little shorts. And there's blue on my hands. Okay. Okay, so now he has little legs. Let's give him some feet here in a minute. Okay, now I need shoes. Time for shoes. Oh, that wind is picking up. It's getting dark in here too. What happened to my lighting? I was using the sun as a natural damn lighting. What in the middle of filming here? You'll never make it in Hollywood under these conditions. Okay, shoes. Oh my god, it's shoes. Oh, I fucked him up. Oh no, I'm mad. You know what? What the fuck ever. I'm cutting his legs off. You're done. You're done, pal. Oh, there we go. Hi. This is actually getting hard. I'm actually getting so sick of this already. I actually hate this project. This is not a fun project. There's nothing fun about this. This is just starting to piss me off. Every time I touch it in a spot, it like moves. How do people sculpt this shit? People out here sculpting this, they're fucking lying. That sounds so aggressive, I'm sorry. Why is this so difficult? Yes, this is difficult. Okay, he's done. I just need little arms now. So here he is. He's got his little arms. Oh my god, wait, these are kind of cute. Oh, and he's gotta have his like exposed nerve ending. Okay, so Pim is done. Pim is complete. I have not done his eyes. I'm going to wait till he's baked and I'm going to paint those on because they're like scribbles. Same with the rest of his detail. And I did add his little nerve ending on the top. So Pim is done. We're going to set Pim to the side here. Okay, I'm actually kind of proud of this one. So we got Charlie. This is not picking this up for some reason. Focus on the head. Okay. God, what am I going to do? Alright, so we got his little head here, and I even added his little lips that stick out. I got so invested in this for a moment, I forgot I was making a video. Okay, so here's Charlie so far. I just added his little hood. It's okay, nothing special. Okay, we got his hoodie, we got his pants. Now he just needs some legs, arms, eyes, and a hat. Okay, here's Charlie. Oh, this one came out kind of cute though. Check this out. I gave him 2 hairs. I know he's got 3, but you know, it was easier to just do 2. And here he is. Okay, so we got Glep. Glep is over here. Everybody's here. We got all of our friends together. Time to bake them up. Let's go bake them and see how they turned out. Wow. All right, Nevins. Oh. Time to die.
Nice.
Everything is cool, baked, and complete. Are you ready to take a look? We'll go through a little montage of everything with its details, so stick around for the end of this video. This is ugly. I did so bad. This one was hard because I tried to make him tiny because he is tiny, and this one was just really, I hate this clay. I don't know what it is with me and this stuff. I don't know if it's because I'm trying to do it so small. I don't know, but this stuff is so soft and so hard to work with for me. I am not a sculptor. I am not a sculptor. But here he is. He's so little. Oh my god. Alan is tall, so I made him sit down because I did not want him to stand and like fall or whatever, so I made him a sitting. He looks kind of cool, to be honest. I like him. He's totally cute. Oh my god. Here is Charlie. I did my best with him, especially with the lips and everything. I'm really proud of myself. I mean, he's got his little hoodie. He's not as plump as he normally would be, but he's here. He's only got eyes on one side. Not want to give him eyes on both sides. I thought that would be weird. So here he is. He's got his little shoes and his little arms. I'm gonna do a close-up of all these in a second here. This is just me touching them, checking them out, but I'm gonna do some detail work. We're gonna paint them up, make them look real nice, and well, yeah, let's check it out.
Wow, gee, I cannot believe that we are finally done. Everyone's painted, everybody's ready to sit upon a shelf, and we're not going to spend a lot of time looking at Pim because he didn't come out all that great, but that's okay. Everybody else is cool. Let me know down below what's your favorite character and what's your favorite piece we made today. Like this video and subscribe for more. I got new videos coming out, usually on Saturdays. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for being here today. You stay as cool as beans. Take care.